Hey, I'm LukeProfits. I built up an online dropshipping business, quit my day job, and have been traveling the world ever since. This course goes over everything I've done from start to finish and will help you to do the same. Now, what is dropshipping and why is it an amazing business model? Dropshipping is when you sell items that you don't physically have. The buyer buys the item from you, and then when you get that order, you just forward it on to your supplier and have the supplier fill that order. You profit whatever the difference is. Let's say, for example, you can buy an item from a supplier and the item costs $10. You then get all the information, all the photos, all that stuff from the supplier. Use that information to then sell the product yourself for more, for example, let's say $20. When a buyer goes to buy the item from you, they give you $20 and then they just need to get the item. So you take that $20, use 10 of it to buy the item from the supplier and have the supplier ship the item directly to the buyer. You profit whatever the difference is, so in this case, $10. Dropshipping is amazing because you don't have to physically keep anything in stock. When you get a sale, you just forward it on to your supplier and then they handle the shipping and all that stuff. All you have to worry about doing is selling stuff and then forwarding the orders. That means that you can do it from anywhere as long as you have a computer and an internet connection. You can do it on platforms like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, or your own website. This course is specifically about how to dropship on eBay, and I'll get more into details of how everything works as we get farther on in the course.